Oh Lord, y'all, a wasp stung me and I thought I was about gonna die. Ooh, but happy holidays.
You know, Christmas.
I'm back up on y'all camera, y'all, with one eye already done. I got a nice cut crease going on. I have a wing liner and a golden eye. Nothing says holiday to me like golden eye, red lip. That's a classic. I normally do that with like a nude eye and just go on the lid, but I want to try something different and have fun this holiday season. So you know what? Let's get cracking and let's get right in. My brows in the base of my eye are already done. My brows are done with my BK Cosmetics Brow Pomade. Stay tuned for a dedicated, updated eyebrow tutorial, which I've been rocking for some time. Started with this look. I dug into what I consider some of the best eyeshadow palettes for 2019. This one is the Maybelline City Mini in High Rise Sunset. And I'm going for that orangey bricky color and that golden color, which looks more like it's yellow, but I'm thinking it could be called maize. They call that color maize a lot. So with a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to go into that bricky orangey color, which if you know me, I love these for my creases. I'm a very hooded eyes girl, so it's very important to define this outside to carve out your lid, as well as taking your brows back a little bit to open all this up. So this is a very simple look. It's not technical at all, but I am feeling it. Instead of the nudeness on the eye, I am feeling it. And I'm digging into that palette really well. And with the same fluffy brush, I'm just going to go into that yellow a little bit, or that gold color. And we just going to swag these two in the crease as such. And just open all this up. Next, I have this deep red color. I got this color from Hot Topic some years ago. I even put it on my lips to matte it out. Like if I think my red looks a little too shiny, because I like a matte red look. And we're going to place this in the direct crease. And we're going to build on top of this. Now I know y'all thinking red, but really it doesn't come off as red as it should. But I like to play up on it and amp up on it. When we go to cut that crease with that gold, you're going to see just what I'm talking about. But how is Christmas shopping, planning, Vlogmas going for you all as well? Because I'm going to do the 12 days of Christmas. I'm not going to vlog the whole thing. And I had a lot of giveaways planned, you all down to like my favorite things, all to a Keurig coffee maker. But I am of the belief that if you roll with me, I DM a lot of my other YouTube sisters and just ask for their address at random and just send them something. You shouldn't have to do a giveaway to get subscribers, because there are going to be people that research giveaways just for giveaways. And I'm not about that life. And I'm a good gift giver. I like to give the good gifts. So if I'm going to give you something, I'm going to give you something. I might crease. I'm going in with a black eyeliner base. So with the black eyeliner base, we're just going to lay that down, define the crease. Real simple, like, let me show you. And then we're going to rise it up higher in this flat concealer brush. So now that my crease is defined with the black eyeliner, I find that cutting my crease with certain concealers don't work, because my eyelids get too oily and end up slipping and sliding all over. So an eyeliner is not going to move. This small MUA crease brush does the trick for me. And I'm digging into the Juvia's palette in this shade here. And I'm going to go in the middle of that red and the black, right in the very crease. And you want to blend out that line. That's going to give me like that blown out cut crease at me. But this Too Faced Rebel palette, this was one of my favorite golds. So much so that it is pan down to the bone. But it was a creamy gold. And look how gold looks laying on top of a black. Any shimmery color looks good on top of a black. When I have it on the brush here and I'm tapping it off, the pigment is giving me that little extra little oomph to lay on top of it and really make that gold pop. With hooded lids, it's important lash that's going to cover everything up. However, I still want to see my eyeshadow. And with hooded lids also, too much product on the lid, it could very much flake off. Classic red lip. I'm going to go in with Transylvania by NYX Cosmetics. It is a nice plummy maroon color, and I'm going to use that as my liner. It reminds you of a liquid night moth.
Hey player, what you gonna get her for Christmas? Yeah. What you gonna get that boy? Come on, what you gonna get her for Christmas?
So we nice and lined, right? So classic red lip, y'all. I mean bright red lip. This is the combo that I like. This is the MAC Liquid Matte Retro Mattes. It feels so grand. So before that dries, I'm gonna hit the top with Matte Amore. Look how bright that is, by Milani. Let's hit the top lip. Camera with my holiday glam. I'm all dolled up to go nowhere. Now y'all know this time of year the Diva likes her a nice piece of faux fur hunty. But this red lip is popping. Also, a follow-up to this video is going to be my top 6 affordable red lips for the holiday. So stay tuned to that. Get into these pictures and I will see y'all on the next holiday glam or either vlogmas. Thank y'all for rocking.